Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This tutorial we are going to talk about how to fix theme and plugin editor missing in WordPress dashboard. So let's get started. I'm going to show you two methods over here to enable your editors. So it's a very easy tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to go to my file manager over here, and you can get this by installing the plugin which is called file manager. Obviously, once you open that, you will end up over here. What are you going to do? Just click on the WP config and open this as a code. Right now I have over here at the bottom, you can see. And what we are going to do, once you are at your WP config, scroll down until you see add package and database settings. Between these you might find this line, this one. So if it is there, that means you need to change this to false. And if it's not there, that means this is not the problem. Right now you can see that I didn't have that, so that's why I'm not going to change anything. But if it does in your case, what you need to do, just change true to false and click on save. But if it doesn't work, what are you going to do? You just need to disable the editors from your security panels. What does that mean? I have some security on the left side. If I show you over here, as you can see, security optimizer. So this is what the security I usually use, and this is sometimes disabled plugin and theme editor. So you can also enable that. Just go over here, click on site security, and after that you will end up over here. You can see the third line, disable themes and plugin editors. This one is enabled. That's why my theme editor and even my plugins editor is not enabled. So if I disable this option and refresh this page, you can see that I got the plugin editor now and even the theme file editor. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to fix. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.